YouTube channel. My name is Christina Moore. If you are new here, welcome. If you're already subscribed, sis, thank you so much for joining me in yet another video. So today we're doing some passion twists today. All right, the twists are full of passion and I'm trying to see what all the hoopla is about. So this hair is from Janet Collection. Already made. These are in the color 4. You can kind of tell on camera, but we'll be fine. 1B was sold out because the girls again want to see what the passion is about. I have my hair already braided up just halfway, so I have the front part of my hair out. I look part of my hair out and the rest back because I want to blend it in with my hair. I just don't like the bulkiness of crochet braids. That's my personal preference. Okay, this is completely optional.
All right, you guys, so please don't drag me in the comments. Be nice. This was my first time. Did not know how to put in these twists correctly. Also, the tool that I was using broke. I tried to put it back together. It was just not working. It was not happening. But at the end of the day, it is not how you start. It is how you finish. So all I'm doing is putting the tool through my braids and pulling the twist out on the other side and tying it. I understand that you could use the tool and take it from the end and loop it through that way. I've seen it done that way. I wasn't really big on watching a lot of crochet videos before doing that. I probably should have, but you will get a better look of what I'm doing right now.
Okay, over here is trash. All right, not because of the hair itself, it's just me. I'm trash at this point. So I wanted to braid and then twist, but the slippage is pretty serious. I didn't want to do the rubber band method, but that's what's happening today.
All I'm doing is taking a section of my hair and parting it. Again, the front area is where I wanted to kind of do the twist myself. Y'all know how I am with baby hair, so let's just get that out the way. The reason why I was so against the rubber band method is because I didn't want to cause any breakage to my hair, but then I realized I'm the one installing these, so I can control how loose or how tight the rubber bands will be. So I'm just going ahead and putting the rubber band on the section, and because this section is smaller, I'm going to take one twist that's already made and pull it apart, and it's kind of in 2 pieces, so I'm going to take one of the pieces and crochet it through the section with the rubber band because I don't want the twist to be too bulky. So you see me pulling apart here, and you just, go ahead and slide that bad girl right through. Twist it all the way up. You'll be twisting for a little while because this joint is 24 inches, but I'm just separating and twisting. You guys know how to twist. You know how to do this. And for the ends of my hair that I twisted myself, I just sealed it with some hot boiling water. Be careful with this. If you are underage, please have your mom, your auntie, your sister in the room with you. I do not want any emails, okay? I'm not responsible for anyone burning themselves, but this hairstyle was pretty easy.
Okay, you guys, so it's not the next day, it's a few days later. I can kind of give you guys an update on how the twists wear. So they were easy to install, especially in the back. Rubber band method all the way, saved my whole entire life, slayed my edges on the side here. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. For the lazy naturals out there, the rubber band method, you know what I'm saying, it still looks good. The twists are light, they're not heavy. They have their own little curl situation. Oh, yep, we're gonna talk about it. They have their own little curl situation on the end, so keep in mind if you do want to do this method with the crochet in the back and you kind of want it more blended in the front, you're not going to get that same type of curl, but it's just so much hair that it doesn't matter. Janet Collection sent me 6 packs. I ended up using 6 packs. I did not need to use 6 packs. Where I went wrong is really putting the majority of the hair. I wasn't thinking, y'all, honestly, that's what it was. I was literally going like row by row and they're so close together. I definitely could have spaced it out and got away with 5 packs because I still have a few pieces of twist on the floor on the side over here. So the hair does kind of stick together, but not like completely. It's just more so towards the end a little bit. But it's synthetic hair, you guys. You're not, like, come on. You're not about to do passion twist with a Brazilian body wave bundle. Like, let's just get that out the way, all right? So if my lazy behind could do this, sis, you can go ahead and do this too. Trust me. So how are we feeling about these passion twists? Are we happy that they are already pre-made? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, it's free to subscribe, sis. Go ahead and support your girl. I love you guys so much. Let's chat in the comment section down below. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.